in previous class I already did the foolish friends and also the swing. Do you remember the two chapters? Yes. Now I am doing the questions for this lesson. Come, first the foolish friends. Fill in the blanks. The four bulls were strong and hefty. The tiger took help from the fox. The tiger killed the bulls and feasted on them. The other strong animal that is mentioned in the lesson is a answer is tiger. The first bull thought his friends to be cunning. Choose the correct answers. The tiger wanted to eat the bulls. The fox was willy. The fox told the bull that the tiger had announced a prize of gold. The first bull wanted at first to talk to his friends. Answer the following questions. How did the bulls stay safe from their enemies? Because they were united and strong together. What plan did the tiger come up with? The tiger decides to ask the fox to help him. What did the fox tell the first bull when he heard a bull's reply? The fox told the bull that his friends would not admit their plans, and so it was better that he go away at night to some safe place. What did the first bull think after the fox told him not to be foolish? That first bull thought that it would be a good idea to go away at night. If the fox was right, he also never thought his friends would be so cunning. What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is that when we stand together and are united, no enemy can hurt us. Next, look at the words given in the circles. Find the antonym for each of them. The antonyms are given in the boxes. Draw a line to connect them. Antonym means opposite words. Always, never. Attacked, shielded. Friends, foes. United, divided. Different, same. Underline the adverbs in the following sentences. She spoke nicely to the class. Nicely. The cat played joyfully in the bedroom. Joyfully. He was completely confused. Completely. The man drove his car carefully. The show will start shortly. Shortly. Write the correct adverb and fill in the blanks. The boy wrote neatly in his book. He called out loudly to his mother in the crowd. Loudly to his mother in the crowd. Rani danced gracefully on the stage. In the library, we have to read silently. The dog looked sadly at his master when he left for office. Next, language lab. See, find the second word for the following words to make them minimal pairs. Berry, belly. Buy, guy. Chip, ship. Fry, flight. Lap, tap. The swing. Next one. Complete the following sentences. Going up in a swing is the pleasantest thing. I look down on the garden green. Up in the air I go flying again. One can see wide and all over in the countryside. Okay. Next, going up in the air is like flying. Answer the following questions. What is the pleasantest thing for a child to do? The pleasantest thing for a child to do is play on a swing. Is described as being green. See, first answer is play on a swing. This much. And how are the garden and the roof described? The garden is described as being green in color and the roof as brown in color. Next, third one. What can the child see when he or she goes up in the air? The child can see over the wall, the river, the cattle and countryside. Next one. The poet has used specific colors to describe the roof, air and the garden. How apt are the Answer. The descriptions are very apt. A garden may have various color, but when see from afar, it appears green. A roof is usually made with tiles. Seen from afar, then appear brown. The vast sky filled with air is seen as blue. Next equation. Does air have color? While air is not blue, when the child is on the swing hill, he or she can see the vast blue space filled with air. So it appeared as if the air is blue. Okay. These two chapters are come to your unit test. So you have to prepare for your unit test. Later I will announce the timetable. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.